Hello everyone, it's Joy from PhonePlace Kenya, and today we have an exciting device to unbox and review, the Samsung Galaxy A14. Here is the box of the Samsung Galaxy A14. As we open it, we have the usual set of accessories. We have a quick start guard, a warranty card, and Type-C cable. The charging adapter is not included, so you'll have to purchase it separately. We also find the phone neatly placed on top. The first thing that strikes me is the slim and lightweight design. It feels great in the hand and is pocket friendly. First impressions matter, and the Samsung Galaxy A14 certainly doesn't disappoint. The device showcases a stunning 6.6-inch LCD display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. The screen-to-body ratio is impressive, offering an impressive viewing experience. Moving on to the performance, the Samsung Galaxy A14 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G80 processor and 4GB RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and seamless navigation through apps and menus. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming, or gaming, this smartphone can handle it all with ease. On the software side, the Samsung Galaxy A14 runs on the latest version of Android 13.